Hello everyone, thanks for clicking into my channel. I am Haripriya. Let's get started on the very first video on Edpuzzle. In this video, we are going to see the introduction to Edpuzzle and how Edpuzzle actually works. So let's start. So normally, Edpuzzle is one of the online tools for teaching and learning. And Edpuzzle creates a beautiful interactive video lessons for the students by embedding open-ended questions, audio tracks, and comments on the video. So this Edpuzzle can integrate right into your LMS, learning management system, like Google Classroom, Canvas, and others. Edpuzzle tracks students' progress with analytics and enables to import students' progress into LMS. Now let's see how Edpuzzle works. So basically there are just 3 steps away you can make any video lessons. So the step 1 is find a video on YouTube. Well, Edpuzzle interactive videos can be made with videos from YouTube, Khan Academy, TED Talks, and National Geography. You can also upload your own videos to the students. And the step 2 is edit the videos to create lessons. You can create or edit videos to the students. You can also record your own voice to personalize it. So we are going to see all these things in the further session of videos. And assign videos. Well, you can assign videos to your students and check their progress in real time while they're learning at their own pace. Now you know the introduction to the Edpuzzle. In the next video, we are going to see how to create account for teachers and students. So till then, stay tuned. Bye.